Hi, it's Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. In this video I want to go over a key reversal pattern and show you the setup and what it looks like, and then show you potentially where the market needs to go next. So you're looking here at my chart. This is the S&P futures, and the chart on the left is a weekly time frame. Chart on the right is a daily time frame. So the key here is you can see that the price action the last week and a half has been really hard to the downside. So, you know, with my trading model, the Power Cycle trading model, I look at my cycle 3 indicator down here at the very bottom, and I'm looking at it, flattens out, and then when it turns up here, that's showing an alert to a potential cycle change. Now you can see on Friday, that's a reversal bar pattern. That's a very strong technical trading pattern. That's where you have the prior bar here, you have your price action on Friday, made a lower low, and then closed back above the prior day's closing price and opening price, and actually almost closed higher. So this was what we call a reversal bar pattern, and or an engulfing bar pattern. And it was on good volume too. So today you saw follow through. Now the next thing that you look for is commitment to the move. So you put in your Fibonacci levels from the prior extension high to low, and then it gives you your golden ratios at 382, 50%, 618. Right now we're back over the 382 based on today, Monday, and we're right at the 50% retracement, not quite able to get over it. The other key resistance level is right here, the 21 EMA, and then the 50. So I'm looking for another 2 to 3 days up, and then we start seeing if we can consolidate, hold above these key resistance, our key support, our key technical areas, the 21 EMA and the 50 right here coming in at 1951. So another 1 or 2 days up, and then it's a question mark as to can it consolidate, hold. If it can get back over the 618 right there at 1945 and that 50% or that 50 simple moving average, then we'll go back up and retest the highs. So that's the S&P. Now the NASDAQ has been the strongest all through this. We'll go through all the indexes real quick, but the next one, just to show you that reversal bar pattern again, here's the Dow futures. You can see again, hard sell-off, broke below all the moving averages, the 50, the 21, and then finally my cycle 3 indicator turns up here, giving us an alert for a cycle change. Engulfing bar pattern here Friday. So a lower low, closed above the prior day's open close. Really strong technical pattern. Now it has to deal with getting through the 21 and up to the 50, and that would be back above the 618. So that's the key area of resistance. If it can get back above the 618 and 50, then we're back up. If not, we'll roll back over and retest. But right now, another day or two up, testing this resistance area, and then potentially you're going to see more selling coming in here just to test the market to make sure that this thing, you know, might fall over. So and I will be looking to sell the market too when we get up to these key technical areas. So I'll do this with bear call credit spreads, but when we start getting to these, if it makes it up to the 50 moving average, that's where I'll be looking to put on a little bit of short length. So that's the Dow. The other index that's very important to watch is the Russell. Now the Russell is, you know, starting to do a lot better. It had another engulfing pattern here on Friday as well, but now you can see cycle 1 is moving up, it's getting momentum. Now if this thing can start moving up, it's also in a squeeze. This could lead the market and get it, you know, back in the uptrend. So that's the Russell. And then the transports got hit real hard the last week and a half, and you can see the transports also had an engulfing pattern. Cycle 3's turned up back into the 21. Next major resistance will be this 33.53 there. And then the strongest of all has been the NASDAQ. It really didn't get hit that bad. You can see it also had an engulfing bar pattern, nice strong candle. It's already back above the 21, closing in on the 618. So if the NASDAQ can get above that 618, consolidate for a while, it's back to the highs, and then potentially new highs back up to the 1272. So, you know, the key to this market right now, you can see that's a reversal bar pattern. So we put in the lows for a while. Now it's a question of testing this upside areas of moving average resistance that used to be support. If it can get back above that, then the market's back to the upside. Hope this helps, and I'll talk to you on my next video.